Hi, it's Mike from Custom Reviews. Here we are, Harley-Davidson FXR replacement fender. This is for your stock FXR OEM style, as they call it, 81 to 1994. As you can see, beautifully made, got all your nuts welded in, real deep, top quality. Okay, and as you can see, proper fender brackets here to mount onto the bike. Thick wall as well, you know, pretty decent. Not sure what that is in gauges like the Americans call it, but as you can see here, the nuts are actually welded onto proper brackets, not the usual just nuts welded on. So very, very strong. All your cable guides, so you know, just amazingly well made thing. All the original cable guides for your rear light, everything. So as you can see, very well made. Over from customcruisers.com. If you're interested in any really good quality gear, give us a bell. If you want cheap shite, don't even waste your time, because we don't do eBay crap. Okay, give us a bell. 01773 835 666. Alternatively, customcruisers.com. Thank you.